No one talks about this part. The part after the awakening, when your favorite books don't hit the same. Some friendships start to feel foreign. The old jokes don't land like they used to. The goals you once chased suddenly feel borrowed. You prayed to see clearly, and now you do, only to be disoriented. Because awakening isn't just expansion, it's subtraction. When you vibrate higher, you don't just float into bliss, you shed skins, identities, and beliefs that once made you feel safe, but was just keeping you feeling comfortably numb. I know, been there, done that. Psychologists call this identity reconstruction. Spiritual traditions call it ego death. Neuroscience shows your brain literally rewires during major paradigm shifts. Your default patterns loosen so new meaning can form. Translation? Of course, nothing feels familiar. Loves, you're unfamiliar with your true self. And here's the sacred truth. You're not lost. You're rising above the past, ascending to the future. You're in the in-between. The liminal space anthropologists describe as the threshold between who you were and who you are becoming. This is the hallway before the new room. So don't rush to rebuild with old furniture. Sit, observe. Let your nervous system stabilize. New footing forms slowly. Try this tonight. Ask yourself, what feels authentic now, even if it's small? Focus on that. One honest conversation, one boundary, one new curiosity. Rebuilding after awakening isn't about finding where you fit. It's about building where you stand. Tell me, my sweet souls, what feels different for you lately?